Okay, students, we are going to understand second experiment, and that is focal length of concave mirror. This is what a concave mirror. You can see this is concave mirror, right? Bulging side is silverly coated, so inner side is reflected, right? So here we just want to find out the focal length of a concave mirror. How can we find out focal length? It is very easy. Basic principle that when object is very far, okay, all the rays become parallel to the principal axis, and incident after reflection it will focus on a what we can say, it will meet at a focus point, and the distance between mirror to focus point is nothing but focal length. So this way you can find out approximate focal length for concave mirror. Now here this I am using a screen, and on this screen a very far distance object image is to be obtained. Okay, so this is what we have like a screen. This is stand in which I have to place a concave mirror in this manner, facing towards the reflecting surface, facing towards the which side? A screen side. Now if you fix a screen, here you can take a scale. Okay, you can mark the position of the screen with the help of chalk piece. Let's say this is A, position is A. Okay, afterwards you can find out the distance. Now as you move the mirror towards the screen, definitely you can observe the image. Just see, a focus, a clear image is to be observed. So window is observed. Here the image should be very clear, a very focused image is to be obtained, and then after you can mark that point as B. Okay, you can write any letter. So AB, A is what? The screen, which is nothing but the focus of the mirror. B is what? The pole of the mirror. The distance between pole to focus point is nothing but focal length. Okay, so directly you can measure with the help of scale. So here this distance is coming out what? Almost 11.5. That means the focal length, rough focal length of this concave mirror is 11.5. But you cannot judge just by taking one reading. For that you have to take 5 to 6 reading, right? This is one method in which you people can take 5 repeated readings. The second alternative method is what? The procedure is same only, but you have to fix a scale. This scale is to be fixed, and you can mark this point A and B. Okay, point A को आप change करते रहो, correspondingly you people can get the B point, and the distance between A and B can be measured. For example, suppose if I consider the point A is on 70, at present point B is obtained at 59.5. That means the distance between A and B is 11.5. 70 minus 59.5. Okay, that way you can take. Now second, suppose if I take second reading के लिए, suppose if I take the screen on 80, right? तो 80 पे मैंने एडजस्ट किया है स्क्रीन को. Now you just have to vary the screen. You have to move the mirror towards the screen and find out the focus image as in previous reading we have taken. So this is the way you can adjust the reading. Focus image is to be obtained. Now at present the mirror is at 69. Okay, so 80 minus 69, 11 centimeter, difference is 11 centimeter. So this way you can take reading. Okay, repeat the reading for 5 times, and by average of the final measure you will get the mean focal length for the concave mirror. So this is the simple way you can find out the focal length. Okay, just find out the tabular from the manual and note down the reading correspondingly. Okay, So this is the way you can find out the focal length of concave mirror.